What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Sunshine Tech and Media, and they of course went ahead and designed a website for us, smarttechhq.com, and you guys can actually go and check this out. It's a pretty nice, sleek, simple website. You can go ahead and view the channel right off the bat. You also see our services, our software, and of course technology and what we review, and you can go ahead and contact us right from here, which is really, really cool. Now, what if I were to jump into the admin section of this, my client area? What exactly can I do inside of here, and what exactly do they offer? Well, see, they're a full-on web hosting service that comes in at a pretty cheap price actually, and they have a variety of options going from $4.79 a month all the way up to $100 a month, where they have full-on cloud computing built in. Now, some of the things that make them just a bit unique is if I jump back into the client area, they have shared web hosting, they have WordPress shared web hosting, and of course cloud computing hosting as well. They also offer free migration from any other web host that you're using at the moment, and if you think that they're giving you a better deal, then of course their migration makes life a lot easier. Now, they also offer free, unlimited, and automatically installed SSL certificates for your security, and of course they offer free .com domain. As you guys can see, we got ourselves good old smarttechhq.com. They also offer Lightspeed web server and Cloudflare Railgun. If you guys are running a full-fledged website, this is pretty important, and you can actually save yourself a decent amount of money. You see, typically speaking, when you have these normal services from maybe a variety of services, it could cost you $2,662 a year. That's the amount you'd save if you were to just do their hosting plan. That's like, what, $4.79 a month, which is literally nothing compared to the amount you'd spend on all those other services. They also have a variety of interesting cloud packages as well that we're going to go over in just a second. But with that said, I want to quickly jump over what we have here. As you can see, they'll tell you your actual info. Then, of course, you can jump right into the portal. You do have to verify your email. It'll show your services, your one domain, how many tickets, and maybe even invoices built in directly here. So, of course, let's go ahead and check out the one domain that I currently own. And we're going to wait for that to load. And as you guys can see, this is active as of now. And I can go ahead and maybe manage my name servers, edit contact information, and even take a look at my auto renewal status. Now, another thing you can do is transfer a domain directly to them if you want to. And of course, you can go ahead and check out all the domains they have directly on their website to make sure that a particular domain is available, which is really, really cool. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys something else as well. I'm going to jump right back to our website, and we're going to talk about some of the cloud computing offers they have as well. You see, their cloud computing is just a tad bit different than everyone else's. They have full-on NVMe SSD storage. They have 16 data center locations located on every single continent except Africa, and of course they have their CPUs are fully dedicated to the latest generation Intel Xeon, so you get 3 GHz plus, so they expect low latency and of course no lag whatsoever on this. Their Geekbench scores reveal up to 40% score boosts in every single category, which is really, really insane. And of course their cloud compute normally starts at around $9.99 a month, but it's starting at $7.99 for a limited time if you use the code CLOUD, so go ahead and check that out. All in all, they're a really awesome website, so go ahead and check them out if you're planning on registering a website, planning on getting yourself some cloud system computing, or of course you are just starting up a business and you want to just go ahead and check if your domain is available, and maybe you want to get yourself a .org or a .net or of course a .com domain. So all in all, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me